Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you the 5 most famous intros on the guitar. And before we start out, please take a look at the video description. There you'll find tons of free lessons which will help you to get through the jungle if you're a beginner. You get all the basics you need to master also the future video like this and a tutorial like this. So please feel free to check out those lessons. So now let's start with the 5 greatest intros of all time. So we have like the most famous one, Nothing Else Matters, which is the easiest on the list, so it's a good starter. We start with the open strings. We don't need any grabbed frets here, so it's just open E string, G, B, E, B, G, E, G, B, E, B, G string. And so on, and so on, and so on. The next one is Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd, and we have like a more or less a D chord, a D major chord in a saving version. 2nd fret G string and 3rd fret B string, and we play open D string twice, but after the first hit we damp the string. And then we play B and G. D, D, B, G. Then we have middle finger 3rd fret A string, and we play a C added 9 chord. Do the same thing with the A string here. Play it twice, but after the first hit you damp the string and then you play it the second time. And then B and G string. So D, C, then the same 3rd fret E string with the low E string 3rd fret, and then whole chord, but you damp the A string, you mute the A string with the back of your middle finger, and then you play the D, G and B string. So it's D, C and G, and then you have a little run there. Open the A string, hammer on into the 2nd fret, D, G, G, and again the hammer on. Hammer on can be quite tough if you're a beginner. Play the open string and try to hammer with the tip of your finger as hard as you can right next to the fret D, G, and then with an upstroke G again, and then with a downstroke the hammer on. Then we have Wanted Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi. We play the open D string combined with really nice notes which take place on the G and the high E string. So we have only 3 strings going on here. The open D string and then the G, E and again the G string. Don't play any other strings. So we have 0, 14th fret on the G string and 13th fret on the E string. 0, 14, 13, 14. So it's D, G, E, G. Then the same in the 12th fret, 10th fret, 9th and 8th fret, 5th fret, 4th and 3rd fret, and then we slide in the 2nd and 1st fret. So 14, 13, 12, 10th fret, 9th and 8th, 5th fret on both strings, 4 and 3, and second and first fret. Wanted, Dead or Alive. The next intro is Scar Tissue by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. We play that on the 8th fret of the A string and the 10th fret on the B string. And we change between those strings simultaneously. 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. It's really a huge gap where you have to jump over back and forth, but it's really nice because it's an F major chord just played with 2 notes. And then we have quite a unique John Frusciante technique with the thumb playing the 8th fret on the low E string and also muting the A string with the thumb. And then the middle finger goes to the 9th fret on the G string, and it also mutes the D string here. So we hit 4 strings, but we actually only hear 2. And then we slide into the 10th fret. And then we play between G and E string. Slide back to 9th fret and 8th fret. And pickup note for the 8th fret back to the F chord. Then we have the 5th intro, Great Thing by Van Halen, Talking About Love. And we have an A minor chord here, which we break up by playing A, D, B, and G. In the original recording it's muted, that way when you have a distorted sound on an electric guitar it sounds a little bit fatter, but on an acoustic it's fine to play it open, I think. And then open E string, and then 1st fret E string, going back to 1st fret B string and 2nd fret G string. So. And then we go to the G chord, 3rd fret E string, 3rd fret B string, and 3rd fret low E string. Huge gap here again. And then 3rd fret A string, 2nd fret, back to 3rd fret, and then from the top. Those were 5 great intros on the guitar, maybe the best ones out there, but maybe you disagree and you have some advice for me which intros you like even more or which you think are way more famous. Maybe I forgot something. Put it in the comments, I'd love to see you there, and make sure to check out the free lessons which you find in the video description below this video. Thanks for tuning in, my name is Hannes and see you in the next video. Bye bye.